Hey guys, Todd Ault here, Wall Street veteran, swinging the wood of wisdom and launching you towards success. There's an old saying that says, anything worth doing is worth doing well. Yoda, Jedi wizard of wisdom, put it this way: do or do not. There is no try. And I can tell you from personal experience that attempting to make anything a success with a half-ass effort is doomed to fail before it ever starts. Will people you know and love call you crazy?
Are you crazy?
Yes. Will it feel like the entire world is hoping you fall on your face? Even more yes. I love how David Ogilvy, a corporate branding guru, advises clients. Don't bunt, aim it out of the ballpark. Aim for the company of immortals. Wow, aim for the company of immortals. What he's saying is, try to build a business or brand that'll make you legendary. I have a close friend who spent his entire life on television. He says stop reading books about becoming inspired and start living a life that inspires books. Here's the point. If you have a dream, whatever that may be, you need to swing for the fences. You need to see yourself as hitting that home run every time you're at the plate. See yourself as an immortal. Legendary. If you dream legendary dreams, make legendary moves, offer legendary statements, you can achieve legendary success. So do or do not. Aim for the company of immortals. And I'll see you at the top. I've given you gold, new gold. Now run with it.